Hello everyone, welcome all of you. So here in this video we'll discuss about one important climatic zone of the world, that is tropical, monsoonal and marine climate. So let's start. So first we'll see about monsoon. Okay, so from the name of the title, it is clear that monsoonal climatic zone lies in between the regions of tropics, that is in between the regions of Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. It mainly includes the areas of Indian subcontinent, some Southeast Asian nation like Laos, Cambodia, Thailand, Malaysia, and some part of southern China, as well as some part of northern Australia. Okay, so this is about the monsoonal climate. Now we'll see the marine climate. So marine climatic zone lies just outside the tropic, that is in the region which just lie outside the tropic. So it mainly include the regions of eastern coast of the world. It is generally experienced in eastern coast of Brazil, then eastern coast of Central America, as well as in eastern coast of Africa. Apart from that, some marine climate can be experienced in northeastern Australia also. It is similar as that of monsoon only, but it is a slight modified type of climate. Okay, so now we'll see about the features of monsoon. So the word monsoon is derived from Arabic word mausim, which means seasonal reversal of wind, and based on that, two wind can be found. Number one, southwest monsoonal wind, which blows from sea to land, and second one is northeast monsoon, which blow from land to sea. So we'll discuss about monsoon in our Indian geography video, where we'll elaborately discuss about monsoon. For the meantime, just know there are only two type of monsoon. One is southwest monsoon and another one is northeast monsoon. And based on that two wind, the monsoonal land can be divided into three distinct seasons. Number one, cold dry season, which start from December and last up to February. In this season, the temperature is very low, especially in Indian subcontinent and in some part of Southeast Asian nation and in northern Australia. So apart from that, this season is records very less rainfall, especially the some rainfall occurs which is due to northeast monsoon, which blow from northeast direction and pass over Bay of Bengal and pass over the Bay of Bengal and brings abundant moisture from Bay of Bengal and brings abundant rainfall in some part of the Southeast Asian nation, as well as in some part of India, like in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so this is cold dry season. Next come to season is hot dry season. So hot dry season start from March to mid-June. So this season can be observed with very high temperature, which is approximately 80 to 86 degree Fahrenheit, and very dry. That means a very less rainfall is recorded. Of course, some rainfall is occurred in this region due to some cyclonic activity. Okay, so next season is hot wet season. So hot wet season start from mid-June to September. So in this period, the monsoonal land records highest amount of rainfall. The rainfall is very high. It is approximately 60 to 100 centimeter on average. Okay, so this rain is caused due to the onset of southwest monsoon. So southwest monsoon brings abundant moisture from Indian Ocean and brings heavy rainfall in Indian subcontinent as well as in some Southeast Asian nations. Okay, so this is the three distinct seasons based on monsoon. So now we'll see about marine climate. What are the features of marine climate? So marine climate is just similar as that of monsoon only, with slight variations in their feature. So marine climate can be characterized as uniform rainfall throughout the year. So rainfall is very uniform from January to December, but highest rainfall can be recorded in summer month. If we take the example of southern hemisphere, we can get highest rainfall in the month of December and January, especially in Australia, because Australia lies entirely on southern hemisphere. It also brings some heavy rainfall in eastern Brazil in the month of June and July, which is the summer month in eastern Brazil. Okay, so this is all about the features of marine climate. Now we'll see the vegetation associated with this monsoonal and marine climate. So monsoonal and marine climate is very luxuriant for vegetation. Generally, we found deciduous forest in monsoonal and marine land. So deciduous forest means the trees which shed their leaves in dry season and grows leaves in rainy seasons. Okay, so deciduous forests can abundantly found in India and Southeast Asian nation as well as in northern Australia. Okay, so some deciduous trees which are abundantly found in those regions are teak, acacia, sal, and some other timber woods. And Burma is one of the leading producer of teak woods of the world. It exports huge amount of teak woods throughout the world. Okay, now we'll see the agriculture of this region. So monsoonal and marine climatic zones can be considered as the agricultural ground of the world, because lots of agricultural crops have been grown in this monsoonal region. So some important crops which are grown in rainy season, especially in lowland area, are rice and some other crops. So rice are mainly grown in India, China and Thailand. So these countries are the leading exporter of the rice of the world. Okay, apart from that, some plantation crops also grown in highland areas like coffee, tea and rubber and so on. Some cash crops also grown like sugarcane and cotton and so on. Okay, so Southeast Asian nations and India are one of the India, Brazil, Southeast Asian nation, and Australia is one of the leading producer of cotton of the world. Okay, so this is all about agriculture. Now we will see the development of this region. As this region is very highly valuable land, and so it is very fruitful for agriculture. That's why several industries have been developed in this region, especially in India, Australia and Southeast Asian nation. Okay, So the industries are mainly food processing industry, then wood industry, then some steel industries also available here, from where raw materials are available in nearby regions, because in this region is very luxuriant for raw material. So apart from that, some cotton industries also develop in India as well as in some other nations of Southeast Asia and Brazil. So this is all about the industrial development. So hope you will like the video, and in our next video we'll come with another climatic zone of the world. So till now, thank you, keep watching my channel.